Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel LiQWYD. Today my project is IR remote controlled LED. Let's start the video. For this project I have used IR remote, IR receiver, LED, resistor, some jumper wires, breadboard and nano. Now I am going to connect the basic connection. A12 to positive, A14 to negative. Now I am going to connect the LED. The LED's long pin goes to J20 and the short pin goes to negative. Now I am going to connect the resistor. The LED's long leg is connected to D6 of the nano. Now I am going to connect the IR receiver. The IR receiver minus is the negative, plus is the positive, S is the signal output. Now I am going to connect it. Now I am going to connect minus for negative, plus for positive, and S for D2. This is the coding. Now I am going to connect the nano. Starting the code with when Arduino begins. Set pin number 6 mode output. IR receiver pin number 2, that is D2. Serial begin baud rate 9600 is used to give communication between the laptop and nano. Forever used to repeat the coding. If sensor connected, then serial pin received value warp. This warp is used to begin the next line. Up button pressed, then set digital pin 6 out 8. Then the LED will glow. If down button pressed, then set digital pin 6 out low. Then the LED will off. And IR resumed. Let's upload. Upload success. When I press the up button, the LED glows. When I press the down button, the LED off. That's all friends. This is my another project. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye bye. My name is Mohammed Adyan from India Robotics.
Oh